Let's go.
You and me, we live by the sea. Put on your togs and go for a swim. Well, I can't swim, can you? Well, just to be safe, we can learn. 'Cause water is dangerous. Well, if we learn, it'll be less stressful for our parents.
Let's go.
You and me, let's go to the pools. Put on your goggles and jump right in. Well, I can't swim, can you? Well, just to be safe, we both can learn. 'Cause water is dangerous. Well, if we learn, we can trust our bodies to swim safely. You and me, here we go, swimming for hours, 'cause now we know. Well, I can swim and you can too, and just to be safe, we both learn.